Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Let's start today's video with our beautiful Echeveria chroma. It's a single plant with two different heads, and the coloration of the leaves are also so different. This is my Echeveria chroma. What a beautiful color, beautiful. And now I am seeing that the bigger head is also showing some color. Now this is my Echeveria Milako, and look at the color that it is giving or showing in the tip of the rosette, and that's my chroma. So see the difference between the Milako. This is the Milako, and this is my Syngonium, or the arrowhead plant. And see, today it's a cloudy day. Just I think half an hour back we had a light shower, but that's okay because rain is also very much essential. Now this is the arrowhead plant, Syngonium. It is called by different names. A beautiful plant, a beautiful foliage, and there are various different types of Syngoniums. Now this is my teeny tiny babies. These are the geraniums which have been grown from the seeds. I have 3 of them and I am so proud of them. All propagated from the seed. And I think in about 15 days time I am going to remove the bigger one. It's my Aeonium kiwi. If you all watch my videos, then you all will know about it. I had planted it or shifted it into the pot, I think about 2 months back, and finally it is showing colors. This is how my Aeonium lipstick looks. This is the one which the stem had been stolen, and this is the common variety of Aeonium, but a beautiful one. Whether it's common or uncommon or whatever, but it is beautiful. See, now this is another beautiful Aeonium of mine. I have 2 of it in the same pot, and one of it I have to give to my sister. What a beautiful pink, and it has produced flowers as well. This has dried up. This is yet to bloom. I think it is called the spadix, if I'm not wrong. This is another beautiful plant. The name I do not know, but I just love it. Although once the leaves mature it becomes a bit prickly, but a beautiful one, very easy to grow. Now this is a succulent which I hardly show you. This is also a beautiful one, and it is sharing its pot with a string of hearts. This is the common variety. See how pretty she looks. Actually, I had a string of heart growing in another pot, and somehow the plant got shifted to this, and okay, now I have 2 pots of string of hearts. This is what happens if we care too much for our plants. I am yet to understand the nature for this variegated string of hearts. The leaves look dehydrated, but I know if I water them it's going to die because the soil is too moist. I don't know the reason why the leaves are so wrinkled, but the tips are doing well, so I am not going to disturb it. This is the variegated string of heart, and this is the ordinary variety. See, it is growing happily along with the succulent. I like the succulent also, the pointed tips. This plant is also very easy to propagate. One of my pretty aglaonemas. This is another beautiful one, easy to grow. This is my aglaonema lipstick. I had one plant which got stolen and now I have 4 heads. This leaf is about to unfold. That's by Aeonium kiwi. And from the mother plant I have also taken I think 3-4 cuttings of Aeonium kiwi because it was infected with ants. Now that's my chroma, and this is the mother plant from where I had collected the seeds, and this is the seedling of this particular plant. So the mother plant and the baby plants are close by. It's a beautiful one, bright red, always in bloom. So thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Keep smiling.